guys, I'm back. Like, I'm in shock. Like, look at these star coins. I got over like a lot of them in my piggy bank now. Oh. No, please don't greet me right now. No, please. Don't greet me anymore. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, whatever. So, as I'm in like calm right now, calm. Okay, calm right now. So basically, there was a boy in my class. I knew him since nursery, and basically we sat with him in maths and everything, and then I was trying to, like, he was being mean to me and saying, how can't you get it, it's so easy. And it wasn't easy. It might be easy for him, but like it wasn't easy for me. And then I told the miss because he called me stupid, and that is not really nice. Like, don't call people stupid. It is really rude. And just tell the teacher of that person that bullies you and everything. He didn't bully me, he just called me stupid. But like, I still told Miss of him. And then basically I told Miss of him, and Miss said, okay, move to the other table because he's being rude to you. And then I left, and then at lunchtime, 4 of my friends, or 5, I don't remember, 4. Yeah, 4 of my friends started singing, You're So Lonely, Mamoru Has Left You. And like, then they were like, Katrina, you're so lonely right now. He left you. And I was like, what the freaking heck are you saying? I don't freaking fucking like him. I'm like, why? Why should I freaking love him? Like, no, never gonna happen. No. Not even gonna happen. Never, ever in my life. Never. I'm not gonna like him. No, thank you. Never. You can't make me to. No. Maybe they like him. She greeted me again. You greeted me again. She greeted me again. God, she's such a sweet girl. How shall I thank her? I'm gonna thank her. Maybe I should get her a boyfriend. I'm joking. I can't. Without her permission, I can't. Ooh, hello there. Love so, baby. And I love so, baby. Wait, I'ma buy your will. Yeah. Should I? I'ma buy her will. I'ma buy her will. Wait, should I buy her will? No. I'ma buy your will. I'ma buy your will. I'ma buy your will. Or shall I? Oh wait, I can't reach her. Reach her. Greet her. Greet. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So this was maybe a waste of your time. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. I'm a bad girlfriend. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bad girlfriend. I'm bad delete identity. to wrap this video up now. So, bye everybody. Welcome back to my channel. What the frick? Bye everybody. I hope you enjoyed my video. And yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Love you all so much, and thank you so much if you subscribe to me. It will make my day really happy. Don't forget to go and add "No, you love me." No, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe to me, and well, if you want to, you can subscribe to me. Anyways, yeah, I love you guys. Okay, bye YouTube. I love you babes so much, but I love Lukas more. But I still love you. See you and me. No, I love Lukas maybe. No, I hate you. Okay, but yeah, bye everybody. Love you, but Lukas, I love you more. LYDIA, I hate you more. Okay, anyways, yeah, that was just a thing. That was just a joke. Yeah, sure. Yes. Okay, yeah. See you. Maybe I will see you in my other videos on this account maybe as well. Blah blah blah.